Hi, welcome to another Natterbox tutorial. Today I'd like to show you how to use the Natterbox CTI and make sure the web phone is set up correctly to make and receive calls. First of all, much like Salesforce, the Natterbox web phone works optimally in Google Chrome. When you've logged into Salesforce and your administrator has installed the Natterbox package, you will see Natterbox with a phone icon on the bottom left of your screen. Clicking on this will bring the CTI into view. CTI just means computer telephony integration, but you can think of it as your dial pad. To use the CTI, the web phone component must be loaded in a separate window and remain open as long as you are using the Natterbox CTI. This will not load automatically upon logging in. To launch it, simply press the blue button to launch the web phone. Also, if you should accidentally close it, don't worry, it can easily be relaunched by clicking on the blue banner once more. Approve all additional dialogues, wait for the connection to be established and the notification text here to turn green, and you're ready to make and receive calls again. If you have more than one telephone number set up by your administrator, you can easily select which number to be calling from by going into the CTI Settings, which is represented by the cog in the upper right of the CTI. And then selecting in the drop-down menu which number you wish to call from and what you want your caller ID to be. The caller ID is what is displayed on the recipient's end when you make an outbound call, and this does not have to be the same as the number you're calling from. The caller ID can be withheld, or you can choose between the alternative presets. Once you have made your selection, click Save and Apply. A message will appear, Save Settings OK. After this, you can click on the gray X in the top right to go back to your dial pad and you're ready to go again. If at any point you should lose the ability to make or receive a call, the first thing to do is ensure that the web phone is loaded in a separate window and the following text is displayed in green. Connected to server, registered and ready for calls. If that is the case and you are still experiencing issues, then please ask your administrator to ensure your Chrome browser is set to the correct microphone input. These settings can be found under Privacy and Security, Site Settings, followed by Microphone. In our next tutorial, we'll look at receiving and logging calls.